The Omezizy 4x6 shipping label printer has a compact footprint that keeps rolls neatly contained inside the unit, so your packing station stays tidy and uncluttered. It offers both wireless app-based connectivity and wired computer connections, making it easy to use with phones, tablets, laptops, and desktop systems across multiple operating systems. Because it uses direct thermal technology instead of ink or toner, this printer dramatically cuts consumable costs while still producing crisp, scannable barcodes and text. The fast print engine can churn out dozens of labels per minute, which is a major advantage for small businesses or home sellers processing many parcels in a single session. Its adjustable guides handle a wide range of label widths for everything from standard shipping labels to barcodes and product stickers, and it works smoothly with major shopping platforms and shipping carriers. Clear setup guides and video instructions make the initial installation straightforward, and ongoing technical support is available if you ever run into questions down the road.